Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to run multiple Google Chrome for multiple different login accounts on laptop. Google Chrome allows users to create more than one profile. This allows you to create separate accounts based on your needs, such as personal, work, or other users. Here are a few simple steps to run multiple Google Chrome for multiple different login accounts on your laptop. Firstly, open the Chrome app on your laptop. On the home page, you'll see the Chrome profile icon in the top right corner. Just click on it. I already have 2 Chrome profiles here. And then to add or create a new Chrome profile, click Add Chrome Profile. Click Sign In. Enter your Google account. Click Next. Enter your Google account password. To ensure whether the password you entered is correct or not, check Show Password. And then click Next. Click Yes, I'm in if you want to activate your Google account synchronization. Create a name for your new Chrome profile. Select a theme and click Done. Now you have successfully added a new profile in Chrome. To switch or open Chrome profiles, click Manage Chrome Profiles. This is all your Chrome profiles. Check Show on Startup to display all profiles when you open Chrome. Now let's try closing all Chrome accounts. Open Chrome again. All Chrome profiles will appear here. You can choose which profile account you want to use. You can also run them all simultaneously. That's the tutorial on how to run multiple Google Chrome for multiple different login accounts on laptop. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.